wonder what truly creates more abundance in your life? Is it just money? Or is it something deeper and more fulfilling? The truth is, there are simple, practical ways to shift into an abundance mindset starting right now. Hi, my name is Cecile, and I help professionals just like you optimize their personal resource management. I mean, their time, their energy, and money so they can easily achieve their goal while experiencing well being. So, let's dive into some powerful strategy to increase abundance in every area of your life. The first thing will surprise you because it's about decluttering and making space. Yes, clear the clutter physically, mentally, and emotionally because clutter blocks opportunity and drain you of energy. When you create space, you invite new wealth, you invite new idea, and you invite also many possibility into your life because abundance thrive in clarity. The next step is about embracing daily gratitude because gratitude is a magnet for abundance. It's about starting and ending your day with acknowledging your blessings, your result, something that you've achieved already because at some point of time you were looking forward into having those or receiving those. So it's time to like take some step back and just acknowledge that for 1 minute, maybe one or two things that is already there because it's not granted to have them. You did focus, you did put some energy into achieving those things. So acknowledge yourself and celebrate for some time each day because gratitude isn't just a feel good practice, it's a powerful tool for attracting more to be grateful for. And the next is about being mindful of your thought about money and success because your thought creates your reality. If you've been telling yourself that wealth is hard to come by, it's time to reframe that. Replacing limiting belief with affirmation like I am worthy of abundance, and you will be amazed of how this simple shift can open doors for you. The next is about defining your own version of luxury. Yes, because luxury doesn't look like the same for you as for me. Luxury doesn't have to mean designer label or flashy car. No, it depends. It could mean for you more time with loved one, a peaceful home, or an unforgettable experience because let's be honest, we all crave for freedom to do what we want, where we want, and with who we want. So it's important to define what guilt-free luxury looks like for you and claim it unapologetically. And the next is about setting boundary that protect your energy. Yes, your energy is your most valuable resource. Learn to say no to obligation or people that drain you of your energy. By protecting your energy, you create a space for opportunity and abundance to flow into your life. And the next is about avoiding putting other on a pedestal. Yes, admiring other is great, but don't let it diminish your own pedestal potential because we all are great. We all have so much of potential in every one of us. But you have to take time to acknowledge our own and take the step forward to achieving whatever you are looking forward to instead of wasting your time aside and admiring other people. You are great too. So that trust that you are capable, you are able to create success on your own term. Remember, abundance isn't limited. It's available to everyone, including you. And the next is about embracing the uniqueness of your path. No two journey are the same. And that's a beautiful thing because what you want may not be the same thing that I'm going for. Your path may have bumps, detour, and even delay, but it's uniquely yours. Focus on progress, not perfection. Just the person that you are going against is the person you were yesterday. Try to do better today than you did yesterday and watch how abundance unfold in unexpected way in your life. And the next is about taking small consistent financial action Yes, because they are financial action too. Like budgeting is a financial action. And like working towards something that is going to be financially income for you tomorrow is also a financial action. So abundance is built step by step. Save also regularly. Invest in areas that align with your value and create a budget that balance growth and joy. Small intentional action compound into big result over time. And the next is about investing in your growth. Yes, because investment in your growth is the best that you could do for yourself. And your growth is your greatest asset. Keep learning, developing your talent, and enhancing your expertise, because personal development not only boosts your confidence, but it also amplifies your value in the world, because in the marketplace you become valuable because you know so much, and you can provide result and value to others. And the next is about building genuine connection, because abundance thrives in connection. Let's be honest, it's the collective of people you know that is going to bring you the wealth that you want, because you will be solving their problem, and in exchange that will be the value of money they will hand over to you. So surround yourself with people who uplift you, who inspire and support your vision, because collaboration and community always lead to greater opportunity than working alone. And the next is about giving freely. Yes, giving create a powerful flow of energy, because we are all channel. When you give me, I give there, and that's how it's supposed to be, because it has to flow. The energy has to flow between us. Whether it's your time, whether it's your resource or your talent or your know-how, even your presence, share generously with the world. The act of giving opens the door to abundance, for abundance to return to you in unexpected way. Yes, even the smile is giving, even greeting is giving. So be generous. Generosity doesn't mean to give you a resource, it doesn't mean to give money. No, even a smile, even a thank you to someone, even a good morning to someone could be the only word that she heard since the morning. So be generous with that too. And the next is about celebrating every win, big or small, because abundance grow when we celebrate it. Whether it's a major milestone or a small victory, take time to acknowledge it. Gratitude and celebration signal to the universe that you are ready for more. Now it's your turn. Which of these tips resonate with you the most? Do you have a personal abundance practice that works better for you? Share your thought in the comment below. I would love to hear how you create abundance in your life too. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye now.